Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy bonds in Interactive Brokers. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once logged in, locate the Trade menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Bond Scanner to access the bond trading platform. This tool allows you to search for various bond types. You can then use the available filters to narrow down your options and find bonds that meet your investment criteria. Now, let's refine your search. Utilize the powerful filters in the bond scanner to specify criteria such as maturity date, coupon rate, and yield to maturity. It's crucial to review each bond's details carefully, paying close attention to its credit rating and issuer information. This helps assess the risk involved. Once you've found a bond that aligns with your investment objectives, click on it to proceed to the order entry screen. On the order entry screen, specify the quantity of bonds you wish to purchase. You'll also need to select your order type. A limit order is often recommended to control your price. Set your desired limit price and review all the order details, including the estimated cost and any associated fees. Before submitting, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, confirm your order to complete the bond purchase. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation that your bond purchase has been successfully submitted. It's a good practice to regularly monitor your bond's performance and stay informed about market conditions. Remember, diversification is key to a balanced portfolio. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These can really help keep your investments in time and health organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.